some people make it seem like it's very scary, so I'm scared, and I want you guys to explain to me what is agent and agentic AI.
So Joy is going to take notice of the taboo cards. And then if you use any of the taboo words, she's going to shout at you.
So an agent is essentially a
Ooh,
Wow.
I don't know how to speak Korean. That guy doesn't know how to speak English.
Now, I have this list of different types of greetings. So how do you want to start out your conversation with this Korean guy, this hot oppa?
Hello everyone, welcome to RegTech. Today we'll be simplifying tech terms for everyone. And this is the first episode of our series called Taking the Buzz Out of Buzzwords. And the theme for today is AI.
Before we start, we want to introduce ourselves to those who haven't watched our episodes yet. My name is Natasha. I'm a software engineer.
I'm Victoria, I'm a solutions engineer.
I'm Saloni, software developer. And today we have a guest speaker, Joy.
Hi everyone.
So Joy, welcome to RegTech. Please tell us more about what do you do and how tech shows up in your workplace.
Yeah, sure. Okay, hi everyone, I'm Joy. So I'm actually a fresh grad that just started in the workforce, and I studied communications and new media. But right now I'm doing PR and comms in a private equity firm, and they also have a venture fund for deep tech, so that's where the tech comes into play. Yeah, and as someone who didn't study, computer science or like engineering, anything as a degree in university, for me, I had to pick up a lot of things on the job itself. Yeah, so for example, all the jargon, tech terms, and also...
Yeah, there's a lot of jargon, right?
Yeah, and also how everything works, right? Like for me, no coding background. Yeah, I have to speak to founders in my job and also investors. So I need to understand what are they building. Yeah, even though I don't really dabble into that sector myself. Yeah, so it's very important for me to learn these things and pick up on what the founders are building, so we can also make good decisions on like which are good investments as well.
Wow, that's really amazing. It must be like a bit of a learning curve, right?
Yes, definitely, because a lot of people who were from my major, let's say if you want to go to like a more niche sector, like for example deep tech or like finance, you definitely have to learn a lot of things on the side, not just like study your university classes and stuff.
Is it your personal pet peeve when people use buzzwords out of nowhere?
Yeah, I guess it's like, for me, I also try to understand them because they might not know that I'm not from this background, Yeah, and I think for me, I made it my mission as well that as a PR in this sector, I need to make these terms easier for people who are non-techies to understand, because I personally experience it. Yeah, like for example, like when I'm in a program in university, there were a lot of people who studied computer science there, and like obviously for me, I felt kind of like I cannot catch up with what they are building or like they are talking about. But I'm like, okay, I don't blame them because they studied it in university, right? So it's like for me, I want to make it my mission to help people that are like me to understand the tech terms when they are non-techie as well. Yeah.
Well, you've come to the right place. This is literally our series. It's taking the buzz out of buzzwords. Yeah. Because don't worry, like you, even though we're techies, we also hate when people use tech buzzwords. There are a lot of people at conferences who throw out these buzzwords.
And they're using it wrong.
Yeah, the worst part is when they use it wrong. But basically, they will use it wrong, yet at the same time, like when we challenge, we realize it comes out empty. So this series is not just for non-techies, it's also for the techies out there who have been in these situations where you feel like people around you are using buzzwords wrong. So Joy, actually we forgot to mention this at the start, you're also a content creator, and we will tag her handle like in this video. Do follow her over there. She's looking to connect with founders, entrepreneurs, investors as well. Not specifically deep tech necessarily, but if you're adjacent to that, you can also connect with Joy. So yeah, Saloni will explain the props that we have for today.
Yeah, so today we wanted to try out this new thing, and this is something that I actually came up with. It is this thing called Techie Taboo. So I actually brought in like the first few prototypes right here. You know how like as techies, I was hanging out with all of my tech friends, and I thought there must be something better to do than just chit chat, right? So, and I love games. So I actually created this inspired from taboo cards, and I call it Tech Taboo. So how this is basically I have these cards. There are these buzzwords written on the top of it, and then below it there are 5 words that you can't use to explain the buzzword. And that's the game. You just have to go through as many words as you can, make the other person guess these words, and within 60 seconds maybe. And if you can do the most, you win. And I actually came up with the first prototype, which was paper. I cut out these papers, and it was quite a hit among my friends. And that's when we realized why not produce better quality cards. And now we are realizing that this can come in very handy with non-tech people as well, because we're basically explaining these buzzwords when we are talking about these, like excluding these taboo words out. So yeah.
Yeah, exactly. But how we're going to use it for this session, Joy, you have like a different-ish set, because this is actually like iteration 2. Like we went to some Chinese manufacturer. You can see, I don't know if you can see, but there's white sides to it because we have no idea what bleed edges mean. And it's very small. See, this is my hand. This is my card. Cannot see, right? So we... we decided to make a bigger one. We won't show you the words yet because Joy will be the one picking these out. But how you will be using this is, instead of anybody guessing the word, we all know what word you choose. So you're going to choose the tech buzzwords from the deck, which are all AI related because that's the theme that you've chosen. And our job is to explain that term to you without using the taboo words, because in this case, the taboo words are very technical. So explaining to you a technical term using technical words will not like help you, because that's what a lot of tech bros do also. Sorry to the tech bros out there. But yes, that is how we're going to play the game today. Yeah, Victoria, this is also your first time seeing the cards, right?
Yes, and I have to say, very high quality, except the
Oh, really?
BX.
It's from China.
Hey, now a lot of founders all
Okay,
go to China
sorry.
to manufacture.
I don't want this. I can't cut this out. No,
No,
I mean it's cheap.
A lot of things are made in China.
I chose the cheap.
But yeah, I really love
particular
this
printer,
game.
yes.
I really love this game because like it's an extension of the normal ordinary taboo we know, but it's like so applicable to both techies and people who are interested to learning about tech. So kudos to Sloane for coming up with this. So yeah, let's get started.
Sloane.
I
Yeah.
have laid out these words in front of you here. Choose one.
Okay.
You can choose one, any one that you've encountered recently. Somebody used a buzzword on you.
Yeah, okay. So I think this word, I would like to bring this word up first because I've been seeing it a lot, especially this year. Yeah, so this is agent. Yeah, I've been hearing like agentic AI this year is a very popular buzzword actually. So I think as a non-techie, I was also very interested in finding out what was it. I even saw like YouTube videos on people predicting like what's going to happen to agentic AI in the future. And I don't know, some people make it seem like it's very scary. So I'm scared and I want you guys to explain to me what is agent and agentic AI. Yeah.
Who do you want to explain?
No. Wait, I want to pick, because Victoria, you wrote a blog post about this, right?
Yeah.
So Victoria is
Okay.
also
Oh,
a technical
no,
writer,
I'm chosen.
actually.
that's
And
cool.
she started out being a technical writer first. And in her recent blog post, there was one about agents and agentic AI.
Okay.
So yeah, we choose you. Okay, so Joy is going to take notice of the taboo cards, okay?
okay.
And then if you use any of the taboo words, she's going to shout at you. I mean, you can do anything
Okay,
you want.
stop.
Yeah. Yeah. Then you have to try. Okay.
Okay, so an agent is essentially a butler.
Ooh.
Wow.
Wait, I love that. Okay, I can understand now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when you have like that thing that you use day to day
Thing.
to ask questions.
You're trying so hard to
Yeah, you have that thing that you ask
That thing.
day to day, or it's like on a website, right?
Mm-hmm.
That thing is a kind of like a consultant, you can say, right? Like it will help you like distill information or like information. Okay, don't have.
No. Don't stress.
Okay, yeah, it helps you do that. But if you want it to do certain things,
Certain things.
yeah, you need a butler to instruct it to do the thing for you.
Okay, I understand. Yeah.
Yeah, like let's say you want automation, things like that. So then you have to deploy a butler to go do it for you. So this agent, which is the definition you're looking for, is essentially a specialized butler to help you do that.
Are there any examples of what this butler can do?
Oh yeah, so there's many different types of butlers.
Okay.
I like how you're emphasizing
Yeah, it's like butlers.
Okay, butler, let's go.
Yeah.
How many types of
Give us some
butlers are there?
examples. Yeah.
Okay, so the first one, the easiest one is, do you know GitHub?
I do actually. Yeah.
Yay!
But for those that don't know,
For those don't know,
Yeah.
GitHub is like a place where
I think it might be in one of the decks. It's also a taboo word, but okay.
it's a place where people store their code, and then you have version control, so you can see the history,
It's like Google Drive, but for code.
something like that. So
Nice.
that's a good one. So for GitHub, let's say you are from your machine, your laptop, you want to automate certain tasks, like
Task is what I do. Automate certain
you see, like she was like,
work. Automate certain work.
stop.
Okay, stop. We pass the mic to Saloni now. You fail. Okay, but good job, Saloni.
Good job,
Saloni,
good
do you
job.
have any examples?
Okay, agent.
Examples.
Example would
Get
be
creative with it.
okay. For example, imagine. Okay, so you are this person who is like the bridge between tech and non-tech, right? So maybe because you're so busy, you have all these.
Oh, what the?
It did not. I did not complete. You have all
That's
of
the
these
first two
things
words.
to do. So imagine I built for you this app where it will automatically connect to your Gmail, and it can help you read your Gmail and give you a summary of all the emails you have received for the day.
That sounds
So
nice.
this is doing a thing for you, right? This app and exactly this program that I've written to read your Gmail, summarize it, and then send you a text of your summary. This is an agent,
Okay, I get it now. Yeah.
right? It has
Pass or not,
done
pass or not?
a specific.
I think can pass. Can pass. Yeah.
I want to talk about the MCP and A2A, but okay, never mind.
That's
That
the
is
what?
the
Oh, you
difference.
just threw two more like buzzwords.
Yeah,
Hey,
what-
it's not
what?
inside the deck.
Because it's the different types of butler.
What are the different
Okay,
types of butlers?
Okay,
then?
what kind of butlers? Get creative.
Which butler did I talk about just now?
You talk about the generic.
Yes.
Okay, so there's a generic butler.
That's Batman's
Yes.
butler.
Yes.
Batman.
Batman. Sorry. Okay. Your butler.
So there's the generic butler. So that's the one that you mentioned.
generic task.
You can basically connect this butler to like third-party services.
Okay.
So I was last time using GitHub as an example. Saloni uses Gmail.
Yeah.
Right. So that is the generic butler. But butlers also have their own butler community.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay.
Okay,
Keep going.
so
keep
what about
going.
this?
So they can talk to other butlers as well, right?
Okay.
So a butler talking to another butler, because let's say the butler's specific task is to read emails.
You just said task. Does it work?
Okay, work. I failed so
She
much.
failed again.
I'm so bad at this game.
-2.
Dang it. Okay, yeah, we'll have points at the end. But yeah, so if a butler can only do one specific thing, because they're very specialized, like read email.
Read email and summarize it.
My email is not there.
Read email and summarize it.
She's
That's
scared
one
now.
Specific thing it does.
She's
Yes.
scarred.
Yes, and then there's another butler that actually takes these emails and maybe draft replies for these emails.
Okay.
So this butler have to talk to this butler, say that these are the emails I received, and now help me write
She looks so scared.
those emails according to
understand.
like maybe urgency, content, and certain things. So when a butler talks to another butler, it's called A to A, agent to agent.
Oh, okay,
It's a
okay.
type of protocol. Yep.
You also mentioned MCP, right? Do you want to?
Yeah. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol.
Okay.
So this is
Is this something you've heard before, by the way?
MCP? No, actually. So yeah,
I think
what
it's a
is
very
it?
techie term.
It's okay. Like maybe if she
Break it
hears it
down.
next
Yeah.
time, it's
Now,
some tech
next
bro-
time someone says MCP, I'm like, oh my god, I know what it is.
Yeah. So basically, some third-party services, the one that Saloni described. So for example, I'm speaking English to you, right? Then you have to speak English back to me. But some of these third-party services might be, oh, I'm speaking English, but they'll come back to me in Korean. You know.
Okay.
So that is when you will need a MCP, Model Context Protocol, because it standardizes the communication between butlers and third-party services. So let's say GitHub has a MCP. So instead of, give a prompt like say,
Okay.
Promise not there. Promise not there. Okay, promise not there.
let's say you have to tell GitHub to do a certain thing for you using the agent. Normally, you can write a prompt, right?
Okay.
But sometimes the problem with this thing is that the output is not always consistent, right?
Okay.
So by using MCP, they will already have predefined. I cannot use that. They'll have predefined things
Okay.
that you can do. So let's say for Gmail, MCP is like read emails, right? So you don't, instead of writing a prompt from scratch, you'll just take the MCP thing that says read emails. So it'll be like,
Like predefined prompt, so
Okay.
you don't have to write it.
yeah.
And
so
let's
it's
see if I
standard.
understand it correctly. Let's say I am a Singaporean. I go to Korea, and then there's this Korean guy that I think is really handsome, and I'm like, my friend is with me, and then my friend knows how to speak Korean. I don't know how to speak Korean. That guy doesn't know how to speak English, and then let's say I want to hit on that guy, then my friend is the wingman who is the MCP.
He
Does that make
translates
sense?
that context in this case where the
Yeah.
predefined prompt is
Translating
that
into Korean.
translate it back into
Okay.
In English.
That's a good one. That's a good one. So your friend essentially have already predefined like options for you. So it's like, okay, so you speak English, I can translate for you Korean. Now I have this list of like different types of greetings. So how do you want to start out your conversation with this Korean guy, this hot oppa?
It's really simple terms now.
Yeah, it's like, do you want 안녕하세요 or you want 안녕히 계세요? I don't know what. Or
Girl knows Korean.
She is the MCP.
or 안녕, like what kind of style you want.
Okay.
It's all predefined. So that way you don't have to always specifically instruct your friend, I want it this way, I want it this way. Because that can be inconsistent and that can be time consuming to build all the possible things that you can.
It's like if you go on, if let's say that context, you were relying on ChatGPT the whole time, and then every time you send out, it's like, can you give me the pronunciation of, like, I want to say that I like you, but I want the tone to be like friendly, not overbearing. No, I like you. I want it to be, I kind of like you. Okay, then you send that out. Okay, then you say it. Then the next time you prompt it again, then you say, okay, remember, you make it cool. Don't be overbearing. Then you have to keep saying, don't be overbearing. Don't be overbearing. It gets quite tiring to keep
Yeah,
typing it
yeah,
out.
yeah,
Then
yeah.
the Korean oppa gone already, right? Yeah, so it's basically like that.
Yeah, I understand now. Very good explanation.
So basically today we not only explain agent, we also explain multi-agent and also how agents talk to third party using MCP.
Okay,
How's your experience with that?
I think that was very good. It's like simple terms, like I said, and after that we turn it into an analogy. Yeah, I'm like, okay, so now I don't say
oppas.
agent is a butler. Yeah, and I also learned about MCP, right? And we use that Korean example, yeah, which I think is very easy to understand as well. And y'all did a very good job explaining it. Yeah.
Okay, nice. So next time when you go to your founders, your investors, and then they are gonna use this term, right? You're gonna bring in the Korean oppa analogy.
Oh my god, yeah, it's like when they mention this, then in my head I'm thinking about the Korean oppa.
Yeah. Okay, that's very good. Well, actually, there are actually 8 words here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 8 words. But it's so funny that from one word we spun off into so many other words, because that's the thing about tech, right? It's so complex.
Yeah.
Like you can't just throw out one buzzword, because to understand that whole domain, it takes understanding so much more, like agents to MCPs to A2A. Like there's so much to unpack here. So even though we didn't get to choose other words in this deck, I hope you came off with like an understanding and appreciation of tech. So yeah, do you guys enjoy that? You seem to have enjoyed that the most, right?
No, I'm a bit stressed. No, but
You did a great job.
She wanted to do more
Yeah,
explanations.
actually, I wanted both of you to try, but you have tried a bit, but you haven't tried.
Next
So-
episode.
Next episode.
Yeah, it's so fun. We can do another one next time.
Yeah, we'll play more with you behind the scenes, yeah.
And I just want to say kudos to this game. Like, I think it's really cool to think of this idea to make it like, you know, like explain it to non-techies. Yeah, and it's just interesting seeing people build something from scratch, you know, like even though it's a prototype, or like, I don't know, you made it like, I just think it's really cool. Yeah, and kudos to that.
Yes. Okay, then we will continue building on the prototype. Give us feedback.
it's
Give
so
us
cool.
feedback also, okay? Okay, as always, this was RecTech. So we'll see you in the next episode. Thanks so much, Joy. And thank you,
you.
everybody.
Thank you.